For top-notch window installation services in Wilder ID, look no further. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Whether you need vinyl window replacement or double-pane windows, we have the perfect solution for you. Our window contractor services in Wilder, Idaho are second to none, providing custom window solutions tailored to your needs. Many homeowners begin their upgrades with window replacement Wilder ID for maximum efficiency and style. Upgrade your home with our residential window replacement services in Wilder ID. We offer a wide range of window style options, from classic to modern designs. Our window design consultation in Wilder, Idaho will help you choose the best fit for your home. With our window measurement and window fitting services, you can be confident in a perfect installation every time. These upgrades pair perfectly with window replacement Wilder ID for long-lasting results. Our window installation services in Wilder ID cover everything from window glass replacement to window frame installation. We also offer window sealing and window maintenance to keep your windows in top condition. For those in need of window insulation, our Wilder Idaho team provides expert solutions to enhance your home's energy efficiency. These services complement your window replacement Wilder ID project for improved performance. Enhance your home's security with our window security features in Wilder, Idaho. Our window hardware replacement services ensure your windows are both functional and secure. We also offer window noise reduction and window UV protection to improve your home's comfort and safety. Trust our window weatherproofing services in Wilder ID to protect your home from the elements and support your window replacement Wilder ID upgrades. For a comprehensive window cost estimation in Wilder, Idaho, contact us today. Our residential window services in Wilder ID are designed to meet all your needs, from window durability to window style options. Experience the difference with our home window upgrades in Wilder ID, and enjoy the benefits of high-quality, energy-efficient windows. These enhancements work seamlessly with window replacement Wilder ID. Looking for top-notch window installation services in Wilder ID? Our team specializes in providing energy-efficient windows that not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home but also improve its energy efficiency. With our expert window contractor services, you can expect seamless window fitting and installation that meets your specific needs. Many homeowners choose window replacement Wilder ID as the foundation of their upgrade. Upgrade your home with vinyl window replacement in Wilder ID. Vinyl windows are known for their durability and low maintenance, making them a popular choice for homeowners. Our custom window solutions in Wilder, Idaho ensure that you get the perfect fit and style for your home, enhancing both its value and comfort. Vinyl is a top option for window replacement Wilder ID projects. Double-pane windows in Wilder, Idaho are an excellent choice for those looking to improve insulation and reduce noise. These windows provide superior energy efficiency, helping you save on heating and cooling costs. Our window design consultation services in Wilder, Idaho will help you choose the best double-pane windows for your home. Double-pane designs are often included in window replacement Wilder ID upgrades. For those in need of window installation services in Wilder ID, we offer comprehensive solutions including window glass replacement and window frame installation. Our residential window services in Wilder, Idaho are designed to address all your window maintenance needs, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. These services are essential when planning window replacement Wilder ID. Enhance your home's security with our window security features in Wilder, Idaho. Our window hardware replacement services ensure that your windows are not only functional but also secure. We offer a range of window style options in Wilder ID to suit your home's design and your personal preferences. These security enhancements complement your window replacement Wilder ID improvements. Window sealing in Wilder ID is crucial for maintaining energy efficiency and preventing drafts. Our window insulation services in Wilder, Idaho help keep your home comfortable year-round. Trust our window contractor services in Wilder, Idaho for all your window weatherproofing needs. Weatherproofing plays a key role in successful window replacement Wilder ID installations. Our window measurement services in Wilder ID ensure a perfect fit for your new windows. Accurate measurements are essential for effective window fitting and installation. We also offer window cost estimation services to help you plan your home window upgrades in Wilder ID. These preparation steps make window replacement Wilder ID smooth and precise. Window noise reduction in Wilder ID is a key consideration for homeowners looking to create a peaceful living environment. Our energy-efficient windows in Wilder, Idaho are designed to minimize outside noise, providing a quieter home. Additionally, our window UV protection services help protect your interiors from harmful sun rays. These features enhance the benefits of window replacement Wilder ID. For those interested in window durability in Wilder, Idaho, our selection of high-quality windows is built to last. We offer a variety of window style options in Wilder ID, ensuring you find the perfect match for your home's architecture. Our window maintenance services in Wilder, Idaho keep your windows looking and functioning like new. Durable products are essential to long-term window replacement Wilder ID success. Choose our residential window replacement services in Wilder ID for a hassle-free experience. Our team is dedicated to providing exceptional window installation services in Wilder ID, ensuring your complete satisfaction. Contact us today for all your window needs in Wilder, Idaho. Whether upgrading or replacing, window replacement Wilder ID delivers the comfort and efficiency your home deserves.